All right, we're back here after a 2.5-inch rain looking for arrowheads. I like to go through here on the washes. It just exposes them. I mean, look at this right here. Look at that layer that just got exposed. Oh, don't be broken. Don't be broken. Oh gosh. Well, it's okay.